If it's shit, Harvey,
Nito, why should I
you
want to
are
break?
gonna get the Tupac God combo, bruh. you did me dirty! Julian got him! Julian got him!
Ito sa upper
Julian
belt
got
lang.
him! Get him, Julian!
How is he bro doing
Yes,
that? I
Julian!
was handled. Yes, bro.
Harvey, what's the name of that
It's called fresh cut.
fish cat?
Fresh cut.
Fresh from the fruit! Fresh from the fruit!
Nelson!
Wait, I'll combo it. Don't, oh fuck.
Yes, bro. Combo me.
Come back here. Yeah,
Freaking
nice.
Nelson!
Jump in.
Patayan na! Gusto mo ng patayan!
Jump him, bruh. He did my hair dirty again. He did my hair dirty again, bruh.
He's so big. Anton is so big. He is so big. Anton is so freaking big. He's so big.
Gooners,
Bonus ko
chase
pa
after
tayo.
him. Okay, ama.
Let me go!
Yeah, go.
Let me go!
Wait, he's gonna run.
Harvey, don't run! Harvey!
I'm chasing Anton!
Don't run! I don't
He's gonna go here.
Harvey, don't run!
I'm blocking that!
Harvey, don't
Nawala.
Harvey, don't run!
Guys, I lag.
Bro, he did my hair dirty, bruh. He did my, you know what? If you do my hair dirty one more time, bruh,
Kasi
I'm suing you.
You're moving while I'm doing the haircut kasi, bro. Come
Nigga,
on.
you did the same haircut 2 times in a row.
Because you kept on moving it, you kept on jerking it while I was cutting your hair, okay? Tapos like the boss okay, it went all the way in the hair, okay, and then freaking messed it with it, okay?
No, I cannot see Candy Love anywhere, bruh.
Yeah, because
Fuck,
she
are
got
you?
banned.
Come here, na. Come here. Fuck,
He's
are
trying to
you?
give me back shots again.
Where are you, bruh? If you do
Can't
my hair
do that, bro.
dirty,
You can't do that.
if you guys, Kaiser, Julian, come here. If he does my hair dirty again,
No,
drop him, okay?
Julian, na. Want to be
Where are
dirty?
you? Where the fuck are you?
Wait, can I
Harvey!
get one?
Do his haircut. Oh, there, I see him.
Go!
Okay, come here. Harvey, go to the very edge, bruh. To the very edge. Not, come here, since you keep on running, come here.
No, here.
Nigga, come here.
No, here. Wala nang haircut.
Because you keep on fucking running. Nigga, I need a refund for that shitty ass haircut.
What do you
Fine.
mean it was coated? Yeah.
Nigga. Okay.
You say my
Okay,
name
I'm ready
and
to
your
judge
soul shall be
Yeah.
I'm ready to
healed.
judge this. I'm ready to judge this. If it is
Okay.
bad, then you guys
If it's
have
the
to
same
calm
haircut,
down.
if it's the same haircut,
Nito, I said I wanted braids.
I mean, it kind of looks good. I mean, it
Yeah,
kind
it
of looks good.
bro. Like, why did you leave, Harvey?
Rate it, Harvey. Rate it.
It's better
It's
than
my
here.
haircut.
Yeah, it's better. It's a globe.
I'm gonna go closer so you can see.
Okay.
It's my haircut. Ina mo! Tangina mo! Napunit mo tayo mo putang ina mo! Putang ina mo! Ang mga ina mo! Tahan kayong mga ina mo! Putang! I'm missing